Hey guys, do you ever impulsively buy something because you want to start doing something because it seems like it's going to be fun? Well, I did that, and I decided I wanted to learn how to crochet even though I have no idea how to do it. But I did have a knitting phase at one point in my life, but I didn't really even knit that much. It was like really a phase that I didn't do anything because I wanted to knit clothes for my webkins. Anyway, I bought a bunch of yarn at Michael's, and I'm going to show you. This is what the crochet people were saying was a good brand. It's called Red Heart, and so I got this fun rainbow one. I actually ordered this one on Amazon, and then I bought these at Michael's. So we got a nice light blue here. We have a nice pink. This is baby pink. Here is charcoal, a nice dark gray, and finally we got soft white. Very nice. So for reference, this is my hand. I have kind of small hands, but yeah, they're pretty big. This one's significantly smaller. I don't know, I guess I got a different size, or I guess Michael's just has bigger sizes, but yeah, these are the yarn that I got for crocheting. And again, I have no idea how to do any of this. This is a fun series where I'm going to learn how to do something. So right now it's crocheting. I also ordered this cute pouch of crochet hooks on Amazon. So inside it has some different hooks in like various sizes and colors, as well as little like baby pin type hooks. And it comes with a little like vial of needles. So that's fun. Thought it was really cute. I think it was like $12-ish. I'll try and link everything that I bought in the comment or like in the description area, but I doubt anyone cares. But if you're watching this, maybe you like crocheting. I'm not an expert. I'm just doing this for fun, so it's gonna look bad. But I did find these like cute amiguri, I think that's what they're called, amiguri patterns online that people just like post for free, and I downloaded one, or I'm looking at one, and it's for a little Among Us character. So I'm gonna try and make it, even though I'm sure it's gonna look terrible. But I did watch a few crocheting YouTube videos, so hopefully this isn't too hard. Wish me luck. Oh, also here's my fun yarn bag where I'm gonna keep all my yarn. It's C for coochie. Just kidding. Or am I? So I'm just going to put all my different yarn colors in here. Hopefully I can make something cute with these colors. Oh, is this even going to fit? I figured rainbow would be good because like that's a bunch of colors together, so it'll look fun regardless. I don't know. I'll probably use like this or the white for the Among Us character if I try and do that. Oh, I don't know if they're going to fit in here. I might need a different bag. Coochie. So I don't know what all the sizes mean, but it does tell you the sizes. This is like B-2.0 millimeters. So I'm pretty sure like the 5mm one is like one people use a lot. Maybe it's this one. So we're gonna try this one. Before I try and make like a plushie or something, I think I'm gonna start with something easy, which is a granny patch or a granny cloth. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a little square that people make. So we're going to try and watch a video and figure out how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to use this blue yarn. It's called light blue. And so I got to make a slip knot first. So you have to like hold it like this. Like this, I think. This, then you twist it upward. Put your thumb through the same loop. Wait, what? You're going to watch me fail at this really easy task so many times. Okay. So you put your index finger in. Twist it up. Put your thumb in the hole. Grab the string and pull it through. And then it creates a little knot. Wow, we did it.
I can't. Did you see that?
Oh my god, that took way too long, but I figured it out. I made the slip knot. Hell yeah. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to be using the 5mm. So you put your, I think you do this, you put the crochet hook in. Okay, you can't even see, but I think that's how it's supposed to look. I don't know. I'm so bad at this. I can't do fun crafts. So to make a little loop, you face the thing away from you. You put it on your finger. Then you go under and then you twist it. And then pull it. Put the hook in. Then you twist it like that. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose my mind. So you have to hold with your index. No, your middle finger and your thumb. You hold the like knot part. You wrap the string around your index finger like this. Then the hook facing away from you, you go through the left side of the string, twist it around a little bit, and then dunk it into the hole and then up again. And then you make like a little chain. Oh my god. Did I do it? Can you even see? Look, I made a little chain. This is gonna take forever. I can't do the Among Us one. That's gonna be later down the road. I'm just gonna try and make a square. Guys, I know this is so boring. Suddenly I feel like I'm an expert. It's kind of twisted. Look at that. Oh my god. Let's see how fast I can go. Okay. So you do that. Oh no. What's happened? I think I just messed up. Alright, here's what we got so far. Does not want to focus. It's just like a little chain of like a few loops, I guess. This is so boring, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see if I can do it on camera without messing up. Alright, facing away from me, you go, oh, I have to put my hand on here. You go under, twist, oh shit. Under, twist, through the loop, up. I think I did it. Did you see that? It looks beautiful. I feel so crafty. One day I'm gonna make a plushie and it's gonna look so motherfucking cute. It'll be on my Etsy shop. JK, but low-key, that's the goal. Yo, look how fast I can do it. I feel like so crafty. Okay. You go doop doop doop. Oh my god, every time I turn on the camera I mess up. Stop, I swear I can do it fast. Okay, ready? It's like oh my god, wait, I'm actually a liar. I'm a fail. Yo, I've been trying to watch these videos on how to do this. This looks terrible. I have no idea how to get it on the second one. But look at this nice little wormy we've made. There's no way I can make a square. Why is this so hard? Or am I just dumb? Alright, so it's been a while. Albert is here now because it's dark out. This is what I managed to make. It's like a little rainbow. I didn't even try to do that. But I kind of figured out how to do like the different rows, even though it kind of curved along the way. But here's what we made with only like a few hours of knowing how to crochet. So I'll check back in once I've learned a little bit more.
And that is it. That is your slip knot. And you just insert your hook and then you're going to pull on that work of my index finger. Like this. I know it looks very higgledy-piggledy.
Hey guys, we're back again. I'm gonna try and learn how to crochet. I've just been using this rainbow yarn, and when I mess up I just like unravel it, the whole thing. But literally it's so hard for me to like make it go in a straight line. Like it's so hard to do the different stitches on the second row. But I'm gonna try and make a granny square. I'll like count out loud, so hopefully I won't get confused. So let's see if I can do it. That's what we got so far. I don't know why I can never do it right. Can you see? I don't know, but I don't think this is gonna look very much like a square, but let's see how far I can do it before it like gets super shitty. Here's a check-in. I think I've done maybe 5 rows. Like, you can't even tell. It's like so messy. I think that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. It's not really a square anymore. It's kind of lopsided. I feel like it's gonna start going like that, but you know, we're gonna try and make something with this. Okay, wait, you can kind of tell that like I figured it out a little bit. Like, it's kind of messy in the beginning, but then like it slowly gets better, right? Like it's more uniform. Like this is a mess, but then here's kind of nice. Okay, I'm not gonna update until it's like done, so let's go. Guys, we did it. We made a wonky little square. It's so bad. But yeah, it's my first time trying to do something like this.